Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Yelp account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Yelp application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the more option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the more interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply tap on this option, sign up or login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. If you do not have the account yet, you can tap on the option sign up and sign up for your account. Otherwise, simply log into your account by providing the email address, or you can also continue with Google. So simply tap on the login method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email address. Now after you enter the email address, tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Yelp account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.